Are you looking for a restaurant, cafe, coffee shop, food truck, fine dining or any type of restaurant website? An e-commerce, blog, CMS or any type of food website for your restaurant business? Introducing FastFood TNC, the best restaurant Webflow template. Create or redecorate your website easily. Now where to get this template? To get this template, you need to visit templates.themencode.com site. Here you need to search FastFood TNC. Take a look at our FastFood TNC template is listed. Here, you can check the live preview and designer preview or all the template variants from this page. Click Buy Now to get this template from Webflow website. Now let's explore the live preview of FastFood TNC. The FastFood TNC is a complete restaurant-centric template that has everything you need to create an effective online presence. Pre-built pages, essential sections, and key functionalities. This template has powerful e-commerce integration and CMS functionality so that customers place secure orders directly from your website, and you can easily manage and update website content. FastFood TNC has perfectly designed shop pages that you can highlight each dish in a way that entices customers to order and keeps them coming back for more. You also get well-designed blog pages, engaging service pages, responsive layouts, sliders, video sections and more. This restaurant template allows you to showcase your innovative dishes with high-quality photos highlighting the unique blend of flavors that sets your restaurant apart. How to use FastFood TNC. This is our template, FastFood TNC. Here, you will find all the pages of this template. Let's customize our header. Just hover over the element and click on it to get each customizable option. Have a look. Here you can easily change logo by clicking on Replace Image option. Then, you can customize the nav link. Just select the element and change what you want. You can change the name, link type, page connection and everything with a few clicks. Now let's change this subtitle. Simply select this subtitle and here you will find the text. Now I will replace this text and write, "Welcome to our restaurant." Here I change the hero title here as like this. I write, "This is our restaurant." Take a look at how nicely I can edit this template information. After that I can replace this paragraph and write, "Hello, this is for learning." You can customize it according to what you want. Now let's customize this button information. First I replace the button name and write, "Click here." You can change the button type, button link, opening type or everything. After that, here you can change this hero image. Just select the image and click the Replace Image button, and upload the image you want to display. Apart from this, here you will find items from e-commerce category. You can add, edit or delete these items if you want. For this, click the I button for the e-commerce management video, and I can also attach the video link in the description box. After that here you can change banner images. It is quite easy to change. Just select the image and click Replace Image to change each banner image. This is one of our slider section. Here you can add, remove or customize each slide. Simply copy and paste the slide module to add new slides here. Here, I want to add a slide. So I have to copy and paste a slide module inside the mask. See our newly added slide working beautifully. Here is our footer section. You can customize this footer section according to your needs. Here you can change your restaurant address details, phone number, email. Just select the element and replace the text easily. You can add new, remove or change page link in footer section. You can also customize contact details or any text or links. Have a look. Here I am quickly modifying this heading paragraph as before. You can change, edit, add or remove anything in this template. Apart from this, here you can add or remove new social icons or social links. So, you can easily use this template and customize it according to your requirements. If you want to know more about e-commerce and CMS item management, check out the link in the description. So, if you are looking for the best restaurant Webflow template, get FastFood TNC, and if you want to browse more templates, visit templates.themencode.com.